Uh-oh. Let's get the chainsaw ready.
That's right. Oil her up.
Wow.
So I'm actually going to start with one of my other favorite tools, this belt-driven kind of scraper.
Oh, a scraper?
Yeah, it's made out of tungsten. It has these tungsten bits on it. So it's this thing. It's called a belt cutter, but these little tungsten nibs here kind of scrape it more.
Oh, wow.
So this can get in some nooks and crannies that I can't get with the chainsaw. So I'm going to try to deepen this bit, get in some areas where if I just go with the needle of the chainsaw, it kind of snags.
Okay.
And then I'll go to the chainsaw. I think the first thing I'll do with the chainsaw is make the front black-eyed Susan. So these are all black-eyed Susans. These are all pretty much done. And then around the front, there's one that is completely only at the first stage, which is kind of interesting. This one doesn't look like a flower as much, but this is like the first step of making the flower. Sorry, I'm sitting in the light.
No, it's okay.
But we want the middle to protrude, so I have to take back a wedge kind of all the way around so the middle protrudes. And then the petals can protrude as well, so this is like the high spot on all the petals too. See that on the other side.
Wow.
So now I just have to draw the petals and take out little triangles between the petals to make them look like petals. It's all an illusion.
Wow.
I think the claw is a little too chunky.
Oh, they are?
Just this one. This one looks good, and I think it's like proportional. And this one's like, I don't know, it doesn't need to be so bulbous and gigantic. So I'm gonna make it smaller, more modest, like a Maryland blue crab.
Okay. This is Carving Colin. He's our park sculptor.
Yeah, local neighborhood artist.
Bison bench. Now he's out here.
It's gonna be a big Maryland blue crab.
Maryland.
Black-eyed Susans. So the state animal and the state flower.
He has his chainsaw, but he's not starting off with that yet.
I can switch it up, give you a little bit of both.
Okay.
Doesn't bother me.
Hi, is that he's our local artist. He did the sculpture at the park. Chainsaw. Okay. Yeah, he's making the petals with the chainsaw. He's an artist. Carving Colin. This is it. This is who he is, everybody. Carving Colin.
Goofy son.
Carving Colin.
Yay.
All right, Colin.